There's a YouTube channel with 14 videos, 137,000 subscribers, and over 14 million views. It was started 2 months ago. The videos are not cinematic. There are no 3D animations, no professional voiceovers, no expensive equipment. The whole thing is built with free AI tools, and the guy running it isn't even showing his face. Now, here's the question you need to ask yourself. If someone can build that kind of audience in 2 months with nothing but free tools, what exactly is stopping you? I'll tell you what's stopping you. It's not the tools. It's that you're using the tools to build the wrong thing. My name is Fred. I've made over $5,000 with 95% profit in only 48 hours. That's money people paid me because they wanted to learn what I know, how I make money online with digital products. And the reason I'm making this video is because I see people everywhere using Claude code, using AI video tools, spending hours building workflows, and then they still can't figure out why they're not making money online. So let me show you exactly what you're missing. I promise you, this won't be the last video you need to watch. Look, most people are trying to use Claude code to build faceless YouTube channels, right? They're generating scripts, generating images, voiceovers, building entire automated video pipelines. And that's actually impressive. I'm not gonna deny it. They're actually doing something instead of doing nothing. But here's what most of them don't realize. The channel is not the business. The channel is the audience. And an audience without a product to sell is just a hobby. Think about what that faceless channel is actually doing. It's publishing video after video, getting millions of views, building a following, and then what? Only relying on the money they earn from the ads that YouTube puts inside their videos, getting maybe $2 or $3 per thousand views. I mean, you'd need 10 million views per month just to make a decent salary off AdSense. And most channels never get there. So never mind making $77,000 a month. Now, compare that to what happens when you use the exact same system, the exact same AI tools, the exact same workflow, but at the end of it, you're selling your own digital product. A course, a community, a coaching program, a planner, anything. Now, every single view you get has real earning potential, and you don't need millions of views. You need the right viewers. A few hundred people watching the right video and buying a $500 or $1,000 course is more money than most people make at their jobs. That's the shift that changes everything. And if you're wondering what that actually looks like in practice, how someone builds that kind of income using AI to do most of the heavy lifting, and without being an expert or a guru, I put together a free course that walks you through the entire system. You can see exactly how I do it, click by click, and copy it for yourself. There's also a link to book a free call with me if you want me to look at your specific situation and help you figure out your next move so you can run a one-person online business with AI. Both the links are in the description below. Now, I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, Fred, that sounds great, but I don't have anything to teach. I'm not an expert at anything. I hear this all the time. And I'm gonna be real with you. It used to be a valid excuse, but it's not anymore. Not in 2026. Here's why. Claude, ChatGPT, AI in general, these tools can pull the knowledge out of any niche on the internet and hand it to you structured, explained, and ready to teach. You don't need to have 10 years of experience in something to build a course around it. What you need is to understand the topic well enough to guide someone from zero to a result. And AI can help you get there in days. Let me give you an example. There's a woman who makes $30,000 a month teaching people how to organize their photos. Not photography, not editing, organizing photos. There's people making serious money teaching Excel shortcuts, meal prepping, public speaking, how to get better sleep. None of these people were born experts. They learned the thing, they packaged it, and they sold it to people who needed the shortcut. And now, with AI, you don't even need the learning curve anymore. It happens really quick. You can go into Claude right now, or your favorite AI. Pick a topic you're genuinely curious about and ask it to help you build a full course curriculum with lessons, examples, exercises, the whole thing. AI does the research, AI structures the content, AI writes the scripts. Your job is to present it and sell it. That's it. You don't even have to be on camera if you don't want to. That faceless channel I mentioned at the start, it works because the content is valuable and the rhythm is good. That's it. People don't care about your face. They care about whether you can help them. So you've got two paths. Path 1, you build a personal brand. You show your face, you build trust, and you use that trust to close high-ticket offers. This is exactly what I do. It works really well because people buy from people they feel like they know. Or path number 2, you go fully faceless. You can use an AI avatar, you can use an AI voice clone, tools like HeyGen or 11 Labs, and you never appear on the screen. You build the content machine, you build the audience, you attach a course, and you sell. I've seen both work at serious income levels. So the choice is just about what you're comfortable with and how fast you want to move. What doesn't work is spending 3 months perfecting a video pipeline, building a faceless channel with 50 videos, and still having nothing to sell at the end of it, relying on AdSense revenue. That's the trap, and this is where most people end up. I want to put some real numbers on this because I think it's important. A digital course costs you nothing to produce once it's made. There is no inventory, there is no shipping, there's no supplier. You make it once and you can sell it 1,000 times. The profit margins are close to 100% once your tools are paid for. If you sell a $997 course and you close 10 people in a month, that's $10,000. If you close 30 people, you're pushing $30,000. None of this requires ads necessarily, by the way. None of this requires a huge team. I've done this solo. A YouTube channel that pulls in warm leads, a free community with the free course, and a way to book sales calls. That's the entire business model. And Code Claude on the free plan can help you write your scripts, generate your thumbnails with Nano Banana Pro with zero graphic design skill, and it's completely free. It can help you build your content calendar, draft your emails, outline your course, etc. You don't need to pay for anything to get started. You just need to start. Look, I've been making content about this for a while now, and I'll tell you what I see over and over again. The people who actually change their financial situation are not the ones who know the most. They're not the ones who waited until everything was perfect. They're the ones who picked a model that actually works, started before they felt ready, and kept going. The AI tools are free to start with. The opportunity is real, and the window is genuinely open right now because most people are still using AI to make things instead of using AI to sell things. That is the difference. If this makes sense to you and you want to see the exact system I use to save time and make money with AI step by step, I built a free course that shows you everything. How I build the content, how I find the niche, how I use AI to make the avatars, how I get customers, how to sell your course for thousands of dollars, even if you're starting from zero with no expertise. And it's completely free. The link is in the description below. And if you want me to personally look at your situation and tell you exactly what to do specifically for you, you can book a free call with me. Now, spots are limited because I can only take so many calls, so grab it while you still can. The links are in the description below, and I'll see you inside the course.